Hey friends, I hope you're all doing well. I'm back with a brand new painting today. First off, a huge thanks to the amazing photographer for this beautiful reference photo. I'll share their social media ID so you can check out their work and maybe get inspired for your own projects. Alright, let's jump into the sketch. I'm keeping things super loose and expressive, so instead of starting with the pencil, I go straight in with my pen. I'm working on 300 GSM rough watercolor paper, and I've really been enjoying the texture lately. I hold my pen from the middle, not too loose, not too tight. Since the paper's rough, I do add a bit of pressure so the lines come out clearly. I'm not too worried about making it identical to the reference. I actually skip some details on purpose, just to keep the sketch more free. Now, moving on to watercolor. I usually lay down a light base wash first. Once it dries, I add more colors in spots. Sometimes I blend them, sometimes I let them stay patchy. The front building in the reference was pretty plain, so I painted it yellow with some orange shadows, just to bring more life into the piece. For shadows, I stick with colors from the same family instead of going for complements. Toward the end, I like to splash some paint around the buildings and details. It gives the whole piece a more lively texture. For the main shadow, I used a super diluted ultramarine blue wash. Once everything felt dry, I grabbed my dip pen and waterproof ink to add depth and punch up some lines for contrast. When it's fully dry, I go in with white gouache to add highlights, especially in the water. And that's it for today's painting. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I think you'll also love this next video right here. Don't forget to like, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Your feedback means the world to me and keeps me motivated. Wishing you all the best. Stay creative and inspired.